Hello everyone, my name is Marcel Nyembo. I am a current BYU Hideout student in software development. In this video, we'll try to cover some topics related to web services and APIs implemented with tools like NodeJS, MongoDB, Render, and Github tools. This is a part of an academic project where we try to cover those topics with some practice code. First of all, we are in our development environment, which is Visual Studio Code, and you could see the server.js file. This is the entry point of our application, and whatever the environment that this application will be performed or compiled, this will be the first file that will be executed, the server.file.js. And we have also the controller. The controller provides some functions. The first one is get contact. The purpose of this function is to provide all contact information that are stored in MongoDB. This is the purpose of this function. And this function to the back and front will play also the role of a service that a web browser or a web client can consume through these APIs. This is the get contact information. We have also the get contact by ID, which will send a specific contact according to the ID that this contact has in the Mongo databases. This is the contact by ID methods. After that, we'll switch to the database. This file plays a major role of connecting our application to the database. Before that, we need to import some modules. For example, MongoDB.env that will help us to implement or to use those functionality. And in this file, we will find some method like getClient. GetClient will provide the MongoDB client, and through this MongoDB client object, we could now have access to method like DB. The DB will take in parameter the name of a database, because the MongoDB environment provides sample databases, but we need to be specific in which to which database that we need to perform some operation. And we have a collection. A collection is like a table in a relational databases like Postgres or MySQL. Those are like tables. Collection could contain also documents. Documents play the same role like rows in normal databases, and our collection or our table is named contact. And this will provide the contacts for the documents that have this specific ID. And we also get contact. This will just send a set of rows or set of documents that are stored in our collection, which is named contact. And we have the route file. The route file plays the role to match the URL and our controllers. This is one of the main the core file in our application. We'll try first to test our application locally, to consume those services locally. This is one of the tests that I try to perform. If we're back in our route file, we will see that the URL to get contact is just the basic URL, okay? But if we need to get a specific documents in our collection, we need to specify the ID. We'll start first with this, with the first one, which we just need to specify the base URL. And if I try to get the contact, It will take a while. Okay, here we have our contacts. Okay, we have those contacts that are stored in the MongoDB platform. And if I need, for example, to take just to get just this contact, I will need just to provide the ID here, and those ID are automatically generated by the MongoDB driver. Okay, this is get by ID. Let's wait. The request is sending. This depending to the bandwidth of the network. Okay. Okay, and meanwhile we continue to see some relevant codes. Okay, I think the request. Here we go. We get this contact, this specific contact, based on the ID that we have provided here. Okay, this is all about our locally tests. We could now test our web services or APIs in the remote mode. Okay, first of all, we try to see our collection. Okay, here we are in the MongoDB environment, and this is the name of our databases, and this is the name of the collection. The collection is named contact, and those are information that we have just to fetch in the local environment. Okay, this is our collection. Okay, many documents in here. Okay, now we go to see. Okay, this is our Github page. The repository's name CSC 341 Spring 25. Okay, this is our Github repository. Now let us test our web services remotely by using Render, the Render platform. I've already created and deployed our service, the service remotely. Okay, to the Render platform. Okay, let us wait the page finish loading. Awesome. Okay, this is our first test in through the Render platform. The purpose of this platform is to store or to create web services remotely. Okay, I will try first to get all set of documents. As I told you in the local test, that the base URL is the URL that will provide all documents. Okay, this is the base URL. Awesome. Okay, those are all documents. Let me just copy and paste this ID. Now we'll try to fetch only this contact or this user, and I will be required to provide the ID. Okay, just to see if it will work. Okay, here we have our user. Thank you. This is all about our video. See you later.